We are following breaking news all across the state as a line of severe weather blows through Arkansas, leaving damage and at least one person injured. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Kelly.
I'm Donna Terrell. We will check in with our chief meteorologist, Jeff Baskin, with a look at current conditions in just a few minutes. But first, we want to go to Fox 16's Tyler Thomason. He's live in Pope County. And Tyler, we are getting word that at least one person was hurt in this storm.
Yeah, that's right. Good evening. Right behind me is the home where officials say a woman was pinned underneath a tree earlier today. We're told that she's been taken to the hospital, and we did speak to some of her family members just moments ago. And again, she was outside in the backyard where a tree fell over onto some equipment, according to some officials, and she was taken to the hospital there. Right now, her condition is not known. And we are on Hurricane Lane in the Athens area. Fortunately, some neighbors, we are gracious to them, allowing us to stand under their carport as the storms are continuing to move through this area. You can hear the rain behind me, but also behind me you might be able to see some of the trees that are down. When we pulled up in the area, it was very noticeable. A lot of trees are down. There are some power poles that are affected, and there are some chicken houses and a barn-like structure across the road that is essentially destroyed, and pieces of it are all across the area. You may be able to see in some of the video here, but we did speak with one of the neighbors who we learned a lot of this information from about the damage in her yard. Here's what she had to say.
This would be the worst storm we've actually been through. We've had a couple of them where trees have fallen, but nothing to this extent.
So again, just to kind of help you understand the area here, it's a rural neighborhood. Homes are separated, maybe probably half a dozen to a dozen homes along this stretch of road in the Athens area, but a lot of trees down. We have seen power crews, electric crews in the area kind of tending to some of these power poles. We've even seen some of this material, the debris that you might have seen has been tied up in tree branches, tied up in parts of, there's a piece of metal hanging from a power pole not too far from us here. So extensive damage. And from talking to some of the people here, it sounds like it came through very quickly, very strong winds. And again, unclear right now whether it was officially a tornado. That's something that we're going to have to figure out. But the Pope County judge did tell me that officials from the National Weather Service are expected to come to this area very soon to survey some of the damage. Live in Pope County, Tyler Thomason, Fox 16 News. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Tyler, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Stay dry and safe if you can. Further south in Conway, this is what city crews have been dealing with this afternoon. One large tree fell near the intersection of Caldwell and Mitchell. Crews say they may be working there for a while to try and get that tree removed and get the road back open to traffic.
And take a look at this video, which comes to us from a viewer in Russellville. They captured the moment a tree fell on a neighbor's home today. No word on how bad the damage is there, but my goodness, we are getting reports of more than 10,000 power outages statewide this evening.